Geotechnical Services Noida Sector 62 is an essential component of any construction project in the area. With its rapidly growing infrastructure and urban development, Noida Sector 62 has become a hub for commercial and residential buildings. Geotechnical services play a crucial role in ensuring the stability and safety of these structures. Geotechnical services involve conducting thorough investigations and assessments of the soil and rock properties at the construction site. These services provide valuable information about the ground conditions, including its strength, stability, and suitability for construction. By analyzing the data collected, geotechnical engineers can determine the appropriate foundation design and construction methods to mitigate any potential risks or hazards. In Noida Sector 62, where there is a diverse range of soil types, including clay, silt, and sand, geotechnical services are particularly important. The different soil properties can have a significant impact on the stability of structures, especially when it comes to factors like settlement, bearing capacity, and slope stability. Without proper geotechnical investigations, there is a risk of structural failures or damage that could lead to costly repairs or even endanger lives. One of the key aspects of geotechnical services in Noida Sector 62 is SCON design. SCON stands for soil cement columns, which are a type of ground improvement technique used to enhance the strength and stability of weak soils. This method involves drilling vertical holes into the ground and filling them with a mixture of cement and soil. The columns created through this process provide reinforcement to the soil and increase its load-bearing capacity. SCON design is particularly useful in areas with soft or loose soils, as it helps to consolidate the ground and reduce settlement. It is commonly used in the construction of foundations for buildings, bridges, and other infrastructure projects. Every building project in the region needs to include Geotechnical Services Noida Sector 62. Noida Sector 62 has developed into a hub for office and residential buildings as a result of its fast expanding infrastructure and urban development. The stability and security of these structures are significantly enhanced by geotechnical services. Geotechnical services entail performing extensive analyses of the soil and rock parameters at the construction site. The strength, stability, and construction suitability of the earth are all important details that these services offer. Geotechnical engineers can choose the best foundation designs and building techniques to reduce any potential dangers or hazards by assessing the data gathered. Geotechnical services are particularly crucial in Noida Sector 62 because of the wide variety of soil types present there, including clay, silt, and sand. The stability of structures can be significantly impacted by the various soil features, particularly when it comes to elements like settlement, bearing capacity, and slope stability.